Hello everyone. Are you tired of manually updating your apps on Play Store and want them to get automatically updated? Then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically update apps in your Play Store. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Play Store. Now tap profile icon. Here go to apps, then updates. Here you can see my apps are not getting automatically updated. Now go back again. Now tap profile, then setting. Now here go to network preferences. Here you will see update option. Tap it. Now select update on Wi-Fi. After the settings, your apps will automatically be updated whenever the updates are available. That's it for today's videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tumania. See ya.